Hey everyone, Dave Ward with i3-Technologies here. I'm at InfoComm 2024 and I am sitting next to the i3 Touch i3-63. This is a 50-inch capacitive touch interactive touchscreen. It rotates portrait and landscape. And what you see on the screen is our walk up and use Android-based experience. I of course have a whiteboard. I'm able to use my finger or use a stylus to write. With the capacitive touch, we're going to get a really good writing experience. We have optically bonded glass, which also helps with the experience. I am able to share via QR code. And I'm going to restart that real quick. I can generate a QR code and are able to share with anyone in the room. That's going to share via PDF. You'll also notice on the home screen that we have the Play Store. This is a EDLA compliant device, which means that we have access to any Play Store app. So lots increase the functionality of the device. We support Teams, all of your conferencing applications. And that is the i3-63. For more information, come see us at i3-Technologies.com.